Welcome to day 16 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called Practicing Self-Compassion. So self-compassion is a vital component in our journey towards holistic well-being. In this hustle of daily life, we often forget to be kind to ourselves, and so this practice is a reminder and a tool to cultivate self-compassion. Now today I'll be using light dumbbells for the flow, so feel free to use anything you like. You can use 1-pound dumbbells, you can use soup cans from your kitchen, you can even use wooden spoons or water bottles, wrist weights, or anything else that you like to use, but always start off with lightweight and you can put them down at any time. So find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can place the weights down at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the weights by the sides. I'm just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just taking a few moments to feel into the body, letting the shoulders soften. Whenever we hold weight, we tend to tighten the shoulders. So throughout this practice today, check in with your shoulders, letting go. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. And then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting all the tension go, all the stress go. And then from here, the weights float up to the sides. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, and then bring the weights down in front, sinking the chi, breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Loose grip with the weights. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The weights float up in front. Then the weights float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, floating up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Starting the journey. All right, one more time, floating up. Drifting down. This time the weights float in front. The forearms face each other, rounding the back. And then reverse direction as you open the shoulders out to the sides, opening the chest, opening the heart. Then rounding the back, breathing out. Breathing in as you open. Spinal cord breathing. Nice and easy, nice and slow, taking as many breaths as you need. All right, one more time. And then from here, the weights float down by the sides. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the weights and the palms face up towards the sky, and then softening down, the weights come down the center, and then out to the sides, planting seeds. Rising up, gathering some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle the weights in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the weights draw in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push the mountain. Breathing in, draw them back in. Breathing out, shifting forward. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then from here, the weights open up wide. And then coming down low as we scoop from the sea. And then up to the sky. And then open. Becoming one with sea and sky. Like we're scooping up the water, giving it to the sky. Letting it go. One more time, becoming one with earth or sea and sky. And then from here, step the front foot back in. The weights come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, checking in with your grip, not too tight, not too loose. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time the weights float up. They circle out and around, and then scooping under, gather in the water from the sea, coming back up to the sky, and then open. Becoming one with sea and sky. All right, one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This weight here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top weight goes away just for now. Step out to the corner. Bottom weight floats up towards the sky, tossing the moon. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other weight comes back on top. Catch the moon, bottom weight comes up, the other weight comes down. Parting the wild horse's mane. Circle it around again, taking your time and breathing. All right, one more time. Parting the wild horse's mane. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Step the other foot in and open. And then from here, scoop one arm on top, the other below. The top weight goes behind the back. Step out to the corner, bottom weight guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other weight comes back on top. Bottom weight floats up, the other weight floats down, parting the horse's mane. Breathing in and breathing out. All right, one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. And then from here, the weights open up wide. They float down. The backs of the hands face each other. The weights float up and then scoop out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, moving like water. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the hands and the weights, hugging the tree. From here, the weights open wide. This one here drops down and drifts over to the other side. Then the weights switch positions, and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the weights switch again. Wave hands like clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, drift across. This time the bottom weight comes up and then floats across the horizon. Palm turns out, circle it around again, single whip. This time you can step the foot in if you like, and then step out. All right, one more time, single whip. You can always soften the hook arm if it gets tired, and then release. The hand drifts over with the weight. Wave hands like clouds. Take your time stepping in, drifting across. All right, this time, top hand comes up, the other hand comes up as well. The bottom hand drifts across, the palm turns out, circle it around again, single whip. Drift across, palm turns out. This time you can step in if you like, and then step out. One more time, single whip. And then release. The hand drifts over, they switch. Wave hands like clouds, stepping in, drifting across. Breathing, nice and slow. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then from here, both hands drift down, floating side to side. Letting out any tension, any stress. And then when you're ready, circling all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step out to the side. The bottom weight comes up till the forearm is parallel with the earth. The other weight comes down. And then circle it around again, ward off. All right, one more time, breathing in and breathing out. This time, the bottom weight comes under, the weights slide down, and then circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving. One more time. This time, toss it away. The hand comes in front, the wrist cross as you come forward. Slide down, toss away, cross the wrists, shift forward. One more time, the press. And then release. Separate the weights, bring them in towards the heart, and then push back up. Pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom weight comes up. The forearm parallel with the earth. Other weight comes down. Circle it around again. Ward off. All right, one more time. This time, bottom weight comes under. The weights slide down. Circle it around again. Rolling back. Really tuning in to the sensations. One more time. This time, toss it away. The weights go out to the side, then fold the wrist in so that the wrists cross, and then shift forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, cross the wrists, shift forward. One more time, the press. And then release. Draw the weight in and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back, toss away. Cross the wrists, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release. Draw in and push. Sit back. This time, hug the tree right out in front. Breathing in, the weights open. Breathing out, the weights drift towards each other and they float down, sinking the chi. Breathing in. Breathing out. Feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, you can place your weights down, so somewhere close by. And then coming back to center, taking a moment to just feel the sensations in the body. And then with both hands together, we'll sink the chi. So breathing in, the arms float up. Gather into the heart. Send the energy back down. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. Being kind to yourself. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down as you soften down. Circle in front, gathering in the energy. Bring it into the heart for self-compassion, loving kindness. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. And step your feet together or as close as you can. And close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the body breathing all by itself. Don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for today's flow. Please stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. So today's poem is called The Gentle Hand. Extend to yourself a gentle hand. In your heart, let compassion land. With each breath, release the blame. Embrace your heart, free from shame. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please click the link here to watch your strength training video of the day that goes along with this video, and I'll see you over there.